Running a business today is harder than ever. You need content, marketing, graphics, strategies, analytics. And every tool you add means more cost, more stress, and more confusion. What if all the tools you need to build and scale your business were in one place? One powerful platform, one simple solution. Welcome to Ai360Studio.com. Most entrepreneurs face the same roadblocks: expensive subscriptions, scattered workflows, and limited time. Instead of growing your business, you spend your days managing tools. That's the problem Ai360 Studio was built to solve. Ai360Studio.com is more than a tool. It's your complete business development platform. With over 60 AI-powered tools, you can plan, create, market, design, and scale, all in one place. No more juggling apps. No more extra costs. Just one studio built to grow your business. Need content fast? AI360 Studio's AI writer creates blogs, emails, ads, and scripts in seconds. No designer? No problem. From logos to flyers to social posts, create stunning graphics with just a few clicks. Turn visitors into customers with smart marketing automation, email campaigns, funnels, and ad creatives, all powered by AI Need a Business Plan. AI360 Studio creates professional strategies, financial models, and reports in minutes. Instead of paying for 10 different platforms, AI360 Studio combines them into one powerful tool, saving you money, time, and stress. Thousands of entrepreneurs are already transforming their businesses with AI360 Studio. The only thing missing is you, and now you can experience the full power of AI360 Studio, absolutely free. For 14 full days, you get unlimited access to every tool. No risk, no limits, just results. Whether you're a startup, freelancer, or growing business, these 14 days could be the most important step toward your success. The future of business is AI-powered. Don't get left behind. Join the movement, transform your business, and start building smarter with AI360Studio.com. Your business growth starts here. AI360Studio.com. Build, scale, succeed.